NGR.
Bro?
Yeah, they're the two that we really want to get.
You can't get an NGR on our one, remember? Gave
Oh
4.
yeah, I forgot.
So I hope it's an IU, but
I really want it to be an SMU. Because the Beamley service was one.
you want it to be SMU 277. What? The lowest SMU number is 201.
Okay.
And we've seen 204 and 205 for Green Lee line.
I think I hear it.
I see you.
Oh yeah, I see it.
The Sean Cliff
Oh my
train.
God, she's taking a video.
Yeah, it's making me.
Get the fuck out. Yeah, you don't even know how to step in the fucking. Oh my God. My video. It's an IMU, I think that. It's an it's a. Yes, it's an IMU. Oh yeah, SMU. But why is the sub different? What the hell's the sub? Oh. No, I think it's empty, not even. I'll do it.
What's that? There. Go. Press it.
Push it. Good. Push it again. There you go.